Hello guys, welcome to A2zee. My name is Desmond. First of all, I would like to say a very big thank you to all of you guys for taking time to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I have a quick announcement to share with you guys. Over the past few months, I've been unable to upload new audiobooks. This is due to copyright issues. Attempts to get approval from publishers have been unsuccessful because we live and learn from our experiences. I've decided to share with you untold stories. I currently reside in Accra, Ghana. The new mission statement for this channel is to live and learn. Join me on this journey of exploring untold stories. A to Z, live and learn.